Welcome to the exciting world of travel. If you're planning your first trip, you're in for an incredible adventure. But before you take off, it's important to be well prepared. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure your first travel experience is smooth, safe, and memorable. This video contains affiliate links. If you make a purchase through these links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support. 1. Planning your trip. Research your destination. Learn about the culture, language, weather, and local customs of your destination. This will help you pack appropriately and avoid cultural faux pas. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on transportation, accommodation, food, activities, and souvenirs. Always set aside some money for emergencies. Book in advance. Reserve your flights, accommodation, and major activities in advance to get the best deals and ensure availability. Travel insurance. Invest in comprehensive travel insurance that covers health, accidents, theft, and cancellations. 2. Packing essentials. Make a packing list. Write down everything you need to pack, from clothes to toiletries to electronics. Stick to the list to avoid overpacking. Travel documents. Keep your passport, visa, if required, travel insurance, flight tickets, and hotel reservations in a safe and easily accessible place. Make copies of these documents and store them separately. Appropriate clothing. Pack clothes suitable for the climate and activities at your destination. Consider versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Toiletries and medications. Bring travel-sized toiletries and any prescription medications. Pack a basic first aid kit with bandages, pain relievers, and any other essentials. Electronics. Don't forget your phone, camera, chargers, and any necessary adapters or converters for international plugs. Comfort items. Include items like a travel pillow, earplugs, and a reusable water bottle to make your journey more comfortable. 3. At the airport. Arrive early. Get to the airport at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight to allow time for check-in, security, and any unexpected delays. Security check. Familiarize yourself with the security procedures and pack your carry-on accordingly. Liquids should be in containers of 100 milliliters or less and packed in a clear plastic bag. Boarding. Keep your boarding pass and ID handy. Listen for announcements and follow the boarding process. 4. During the flight. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, especially on long flights. Move around. Stretch your legs and move around the cabin periodically to prevent stiffness and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis. In-flight entertainment. Bring books, magazines, or download movies and music to keep yourself entertained during the flight. 5. Arriving at your destination. Customs and immigration. Be prepared to show your passport, visa, and any other required documents. Follow the customs regulations and declare any items if necessary. Local currency. Exchange some money for local currency or withdraw cash from an ATM. It's useful to have some cash on hand for transportation and small purchases. Transportation. Research your transportation options from the airport to your accommodation. This could include taxis, ride-sharing services, public transport, or airport shuttles. 6. Staying safe. Stay alert. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas and tourist spots. Keep an eye on your belongings and avoid displaying expensive items. Local laws and customs. Respect local laws, customs, and traditions. What might be acceptable in your home country could be offensive elsewhere. Emergency contacts. Know the local emergency numbers and have the contact information for your country's embassy or consulate. 7. Exploring your destination. Local cuisine. Don't be afraid to try the local food. It's a great way to experience the culture. Just be mindful of hygiene and avoid street food if you're unsure about its safety. Language basics. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Simple greetings, thank you, and hello can go a long way. Cultural etiquette. Understand the cultural norms and etiquette of your destination. This includes dress codes, tipping practices, and social behaviors. Plan your days. Have a rough itinerary of what you want to see and do, but leave some flexibility for spontaneous adventures. 8. Managing money. Budgeting. Stick to your budget. Keep track of your spending to avoid running out of money. Payment methods. Carry a mix of cash and cards. Some places might not accept credit cards, so it's good to have cash as a backup. Currency exchange. Use ATMs for the best exchange rates. Avoid exchanging large amounts of money at airports or hotels where rates are often less favorable. 9. Staying connected. Wi-Fi and data. Check if your phone plan offers international roaming. Alternatively, buy a local SIM card or use portable Wi-Fi devices. Communication apps. Use apps like WhatsApp, Skype, or Viber to stay in touch with family and friends. 10. Handling the unexpected. Lost items. If you lose your passport or any important documents, contact your embassy or consulate immediately. Health issues. If you fall ill, know where the nearest hospital or clinic is and use your travel insurance for medical assistance. Adjusting plans. Be flexible and ready to adapt your plans if things don't go as expected. Sometimes, the best experiences come from unplanned moments. Traveling for the first time is an exhilarating experience. By following these tips, you can minimize stress and maximize enjoyment on your journey. Remember to stay flexible, open-minded, and prepared for any surprises. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check the links for travel resources in the description below. And don't forget to download your ultimate travel packing checklist to make sure you have everything you need for your next adventure. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure. Happy travels.